Got ribbon on here. Let's pull the disc out. I don't know if this is a burner, if this one of these might be a burner. I'm not sure. I had forgot about that like back in the day they weren't all burners. Okay, so this is Myst III Exile, which is sort of similar to the ribbon one, which is ribbon sequel to Myst. Yeah, they're all Ubisoft. And anyway, oh, look at that. It came up right away. Wow, okay. So I definitely don't want to install that because we already have 9. So just click install and see if it works correctly. I tried doing this in XP. I could not get it to work. Yeah, it was like there's no freaking easy way to get it to work in XP. I'm gonna do the full install. I don't know what the difference will be, but it seems like it makes more sense. No, I don't know what kind of hard drive you can put in here. We do have drivers for USB now, so I can probably do some stuff with that. I don't know about the network. I'm not sure what this is right here. It's like something to do with the Intel Extreme graphics. But, I mean, it was seriously, like, I think what they did was the guy looked up the older version of this computer that would have come with 98 instead, pulled the drivers for that. Because I think, like, basically what you're doing is you're looking for the Pentium 4 chipset that was used with 98. I find that these old machines, if they're not bogged down with crap, they're actually pretty zippy. I don't remember them being this fast. But then again, we're also dealing with smaller hardware, smaller programs, less complicated. I definitely should not have pushed full install because it has been sitting there for some time. Oh wow, so now I asked for the disk 2. Okay, we put disk 2 in there. Click OK. So actually this is probably better because then if something happens to the disks, like they will be already all like probably on here. And hopefully it'll let you do that with all 4 disks. Just have the whole thing installed so that way, like when you're playing the game, it doesn't say put this disc in, because that's what the ribbon one does. All right, now it's got me getting the 3rd disc. Boy, the fire's all over the place on the scanner. It was calling it a structure fire, but it was like the 2nd or 3rd one I've heard today. Like, it's cold, and I guess people are catching their places on fire with electric heat. Alright, so now we got disc 3. So, I guess this will be like a full install. Otherwise, if you didn't have a lot of room on your computer, you could just install the basic system. Okay, and disc 4. Alright. Alright, so it actually did work. Let me go back in here. Alright, we're gonna restart. It never gets old. Okay, let's wait for this thing to stop. Alright, this is funny. Alright, okay, so here is... It didn't put a shortcut to ribbon. Ribbon is... Well, where is it? Oh, jeez. Oh, it's right here. I wonder if we can do that. Create shortcut. Not there. There we go. Okay. Let's try this one. Ooh, look at that. I already know it works because I've seen it work, but who knows? Okay. It asks this every time. Okay. Click OK. What? Oh, man. How in the hell did it work and now it doesn't work? That's nuts. Alright, so I did see something weird pop up when I restarted it, but it was attempting to start before. Alright. Yeah, there's an error. Wish I would have caught what it was. Let's have a look in the control panel. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Something must have changed. Okay. Alright. Oh, it got worse. That looks crappy. So let's just see what happens. Doesn't look right. Ew. That's retarded. It looked so good before. What the hell happened? I mean, like, it works. I'm not happy about this. Alright, guys. So, it looks like it's working, but I just don't know why. That's not bad graphics.
But we should not restore the city as we had planned. The once magnificent building